Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn what is the uniform flow process. There are three terms frequently come into picture. Number first, what is that? Number first is steady flow process. Steady flow process. Number second, unsteady flow process. Flow process. And number third, uniform flow process. Flow process. I'm telling you, these are very important. So, in a steady flow process, very important. In a steady flow process, what is that? We are don't bother about what is the change during, what is the change of S within the boundary, what is the change within the boundary during the process. That means the change, that means dECV by dt is equal to 0 and dmCV by dt is equal to 0. So during steady flow process, that means what is the mass is in, the same mass is out, and during the steady flow process does not involve any boundary work, right? That means it is fixed volume, right? Fixed control volume. These are the fixed control volume, right? But in the case of unsteady flow process, within the system boundary, the change will be there. That means dECV by dt is not equal to 0 and dmCV by dt is not equal to 0. And for that, if there is not, and also during a unsteady flow process, that means changes always happening within the control volume. This is an unsteady flow process. But what is the uniform flow process? See, in general, unsteady flow process is difficult to analyze because the property of the mass at the inlet and exit may change during the process. That means if there is any control volume, if there is a control volume, and if there is an inlet, if this is inlet and if this is exit, let's suppose this is exit. So in the case of unsteady flow process, if it is an unsteady flow process, so during unsteady flow process, properties of mass at inlet and exit may change during the process. So most unsteady flow process, however, can be represented as good approximation as uniform flow process. So in the case of uniform flow process, if you take uniform flow process, but unsteady. So in the case of uniform flow process, what is that? The fluid flow, that means if there is a control volume, and there is a into and this will exit, and there also be heat will into the system and work will develop, work out, right? And this is your control volume, and during in or out, this is your, let's suppose, in, and this is, let's suppose, E. So during in or out, system property will change 1 to 2. System property will change. So during inlet, this is your control surface of inlet, and this is your control surface of exit. So the fluid, very important, fluid flow at any inlet or exit is uniform and steady, and thus at any inlet, matlab, that means this inlet and this exit, and thus the fluid properties do not change with time or position over the cross section, that means over this cross section the fluid property doesn't change with respect to time. Cross section of an inlet or exit, if they do, अगर ऐसा होता, if they do, they are average and treated as constant for entire process. That means during a flow in or out over the control surface, over a cross section, the properties is uniform. That means at that point, what is the mass is in, what is the energy will in, what is the property which is in, and what is the property which is out at the inlet and exit cross section. The properties are invariant with time, and that type of flow are uniform flow. So uniform flow is the special case of unsteady, because there is control volume, property will change, but during the flowing cross section, when there is a cross the cross section, the properties will uniform, so that property will as a uniform flow process. So why we taking unsteady flow process as a uniform flow process? Why? Because the case will easiest. Why? Because when in the case of unsteady flow process, because the property of mass at the inlet and exit during the process will change, again during the process may change, right? So for difficult, so that if the change at inlet and exit, so we have to difficulty to proceed the energy analysis. So for the minimizing the difficulty, we assume that the uniform flow, that means at the cross section at inlet and exit, the property will uniform at, and it is depends upon the time interval, what is the time will happening. So this is the uniform flow process. Now mass balance. What is the mass balance? See, what is the in to the cross section? This is uniform, minus what is out, that means exit from the cross section, it is uniform, and that is called change of mass of a system, where what is the delta M of the system? Change of a mass within the system, final minus initial, right? So there are two subscripts here. I into the cross section, E exit from the cross section, 1 initial property of the system, 2 final property of the system. So keep in mind there are 4 terminology used frequently here, right? And so that we can write that M into the cross section minus M exit to the cross section is equal to final mass minus initial mass of a control volume. So this is your mass balance of a unsteady flow process, right? This is your equation number first. Now, what is the energy balance? What is the energy balance? We know that energy into the control volume minus energy exit from the control volume is equal to delta E of the system, right? So what is this one? This is your net energy transfer by heat, work and mass. And what is that? This is your change in internal kinetic potential energy, right? So this is here there. Now, so we can write like that. What is that? What is the energy in? Q dot in plus what is the in due to the mass flow? M dot I H I plus V I square by 2 plus Z Z I. This is your energy in the form of heat, and this is your energy in the form of mass, is equal to d E CV by dt. This is the change of a control volume with respect to time, plus what is the exit. So this is in the form of differential form. How we can write a differential form? dE, that means change dE T by dt. This will change in the form of mass, and this is your control volume. Or if you take in this side here, that means EI is equal to delta E of system plus E of exit, right? So EI is this one into the control volume, delta I in the form of differential. What we can write that? dE CV by dt, no problem, dE CV by dt. And if it is in this side, if it is in this side exit, so it is a plus here, so it is a plus here, no problem. So what is the exit? In the form of work and in the form of mass. M dot exit is equal to HE plus VE square upon 2 plus G JD, no problem, right? Now, so one important assumption in this case, what is your assumption? What is your assumption for the analysis of steady flow process to unsteady flow process? State E and I, state E and I uniform and no change with time. That means we can treat it as uniform flow. That means what is your analysis? Your analysis is unsteady state with uniform flow. That means unsteady state with uniform flow. That means U unsteady state UF, US and UF. Unsteady state uniform flow, unsteady state uniform flow process. We are taking like that. This is our assumption, very important assumption, right? So now if this equation is integrating with respect to time, why? Because that on a steady flow process will change over time interval delta t. So if we integrate like that, now if we integrate this equation, what is that? If we integrate this equation, now integrating over time dt, we are integrating like that. So what is that? Q dot is q integration. Why is that? There is a q dot. That means if you take dq by dt, if you integrate over time dt, so dt cancel, so only q is there. Q plus mi hi plus vi square by 2 plus z zi. If you integrate that, that means this is delta E of the system. Why? Because this is your nothing d e cv by dt. If you integrate over dt, so this is your delta E cv, right? Plus m exit he plus ve square upon 2 plus gze plus w. This is your right. So what is that? This is what? This is nothing. This is your E2 minus E1 of system, right? So we can write like that here. Very important, I'm telling you. Q plus mi hi plus vi square upon 2 plus gzi. What is the store form? Internal energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. So what is the mass of the system in final? M2 and U2 plus V2 square upon 2 plus ZZ2, right? Minus what is the initial mass? M1 and M1, and what is the energy? U1 plus V1 square upon 2 plus ZZ1. This is your control volume mass plus what is that? ME HE plus VE square upon 2 plus GZE plus W. And this equation, very important equation, this equation is called, equation is called uniform state uniform flow equation. So what is the assumption? This is the first law of thermodynamics. First law of TD for unsteady flow process, right? So what is the assumption of this equation? Assumption number first, what is that? Uniform state within the control volume. And equation number, this is your second, this is equation number second, and this is your equation number first, this is your equation number first, mass balance. This is equation number first, mass balance. This is equation number first. So equation first and second, first and second equation called uniform state, on a steady state with uniform flow. That means uniform state, uniform flow, uniform state and uniform flow. This is your uniform state and uniform flow. Uniform state and uniform, that means what is the property within the system and what is the property within what is the property which is uniform flow and uniform state. Uniform state within the control volume. So it is note, very important note. What is that? Note. What is that? It is uniform. It is uniform but unsteady. It is uniform but unsteady, but at a given instant of time the property within the control volume are uniform. Very important, I'm telling you. That means it is uniform. It is uniform but unsteady. Uniform है but unsteady है. But at a given instant, uniform but unsteady, that means at a given instant of time, properties within the control volume are uniform. Right? It is uniform but unsteady. That means at a given instant of time, all the property within the control volume is uniform. Is right? So this is very important. So this is called uniform state, uniform flow. Of given instant of a time, the property within the control volume is uniform. So it is uniform but unsteady. Okay? Thank you very much.